Hello, beautiful soul. You are in the right place to understand manifestation and the science behind how it actually works. I'm Debalina, certified Silva Method instructor, and I work with Diana Silva. She is the youngest daughter of Jose Silva and the current president of Silva Method Official. So, the modern quantum science has shown something fascinating related to manifestation. That is the concept of quantum jumping or quantum leaping. In easy way, multiple realities of you exist, and it's you, your thought process, your brain through which you are deciding on which reality you will jump into. So, to understand this, listen it carefully now. When I say quantum leap, I don't mean any supernatural magical happen all of a sudden. What I mean is a fast shift happens when your mind becomes coherent. That is, your thoughts, your emotions and your actions stop fighting with each other. They vibrate in the same frequency, the frequency of your manifesting item. To discuss this in detail and to literally manifest one random object within 48 hours, I have kept this masterclass. So register now and join the masterclass. In the class, I will discuss 5 quantum truths, but for now, in this video, let's quickly understand step number 1 or truth number 1 in short. So truth number 1 is quantum field is real. So everything around us is energy. Here you can see me, Debalina, sitting. This is my physical body, which is decayable. As well as with this physical body, I have my energy body as well. What is energy body? The frequency in which I am vibrating. Who is regulating that frequency? My thought process, my actions, my limiting beliefs. You might have heard the word vibe, right? You may say that the vibe is not matching with that person. What is that vibe? The frequency in which the person is vibrating. Now, once we understand how we can actually control all those frequencies that is around us, or how we can use it to our advantages, that's when we can jump realities to get what we want. This is what quantum jumping is. So let's understand this concept more easily with Netflix. In Netflix, there are so many TV shows, right? And there are different movies and everything is stored inside Netflix library. But the thing is, nothing is actually plays until you click on it or until you observe it. True? Now come to the diagram of mine. Let's understand this concept related to the quantum physics. So over here you can see the subatomic particles. Now all these small particles, they are made up of atoms, protons and neutrons. Now these electrons, they are actually not solid until they are observed. So before they are observed, they are just waves of possibilities. So over here you can see the waves of possibilities, the waves that is still not observed by an observer. And the moment we observe a specific particle, all those waves of possibility collapses and we look at the specific atom or particle on which we want to look at. To simplify this, let's take the example of my mobile phone. So until the mobile phone is here, but until I observe it, until I pay attention, this mobile phone is just a frequency vibrating at different vibrations. Once I look at this mobile phone, all the frequencies collapse, all the waves of possibility collapse, giving me a proper definition of a mobile phone. Now, to the observer, we never really see the wave-like possibilities around us. To us, it's just the particle, the end result that matters the most. That is the object that matters the most. But once again, the only reason we see it because we observe it. When you manifest that, why you manifest it? Because you observe the wave-like possibilities, you observed the opportunities, you took right step at the right moment, and as a result, you manifested that in your life. So the first takeaway I really want you guys to understand is all the electrons, also known as possibilities, exist at once until we observe it. So every single thing that you want in your life, they are just all tiny little subatomic particles that are always floating around us like the waves of possibilities in the form of energy. But the minute we observe something that literally we want, that's when it collapses and we actually materialize the matter and that specific thing in the life. So nothing is actually real until you observe that specific thing and it then manifests into physical reality. This is what the observer effect from quantum physics, right? So we kept this masterclass to discuss all those 5 points in more detail because it is very important to understand and know what is going on in the background inside your brain so that your manifestations becomes natural to you. Also, as promised, we will have a live meditation to manifest one random object. Also, as promised, we will have a live meditation to manifest one specific object. I'll not reveal what object it is in next 48 hours. So register now and reserve your slot for the next Silva Method manifestation class. Once registered, you will get an option to book a clarity call with us. And in that call, we will understand why or what are the points that your manifestation is failing and how to analyze your pattern of creating affirmation. And we can see how we can help you to understand the things in more better way. So definitely make sure you're booking the clarity call. Looking forward to enjoy this journey together. See you in the class.